It's 8:30 in the morning. Let's go to the opening day of Raising Cane's. I had to park down the freaking street, man. Now I gotta walk.
Chicken! Finger! Chicken! Finger! 3, 2, 1!
So freaking cold. Just won the free chicken for a year. Pretty hyped up about that. Got the drink, got some merch. Let's go. So yeah, totally just won free chicken for a year from Raising Cane's. I was number 85 in line, and I was the 7th winner. They give 20 winners, I suppose. I was reading the back of this. They say it's a $452 value. I spent like an hour in line on a Tuesday morning, and I made $450 in free chicken. So they give you this cool little tin thing here. You open it up. It says, congrats, you got free Cane's for a year. They give you like this gift card thing. Essentially, you get 3 box combos for the next 12 months, every month. So $452 worth of free Raising Cane's chicken. So now it's 10:24 in the morning, and I'm eating freaking chicken fingers. It's been a real eventful morning so far. And a keychain. Oh man, there's more stuff in here. Got a little Raising Cane's lip balm. Ooh, lip sauce. And then a little Raising Cane's pen. Nobody gives away free chicken in my city without me finding out.